Hi babes, Lexi Luxury here. How the hell are you? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Your girl did in fact participate in the Sephora annual sale. So I'm gonna try everything on today. It was time for me to get new makeup. Everything I mentioned is gonna be linked in the description box down below. Also, if you're ever wondering like what kind of makeup I'm wearing, my outfits, this outfit, make sure you're following me on Like to Know It. If you don't have the app yet, just download it. Also, if you like videos like this or if you want to see me do more beauty videos, please give me a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get into it. I did fill in my brows. I didn't shape them yet, but I still use the same brow product, so I figured we'd skip that step. All right, so I did pick up a new concealer. This is like an oldie but a goodie though. It's the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I got the color Light 24, which is Cafe au Lait. Oh, there's nothing like a fresh concealer. Getting new makeup is just such a pleasure. It's like such a luxury. Does any of my stuff have a mirror? Oh my god, this packaging is stunning. We'll get into this in a minute. I just need to use the mirror, so I'm cheating for a sec. I'm just taking this little brush that I always use for my concealer. It's so old, it's so cheap, but it gets the job done. Brushes are one of those things that I really just don't upgrade. I feel like this really isn't giving me an idea of how good the concealer is yet, so I'm gonna wait to comment on this until we're done with the brows. Sorry for the anticlimactics, babes. Also, if you're wondering what I use on my brows, I'll link it down below. And if you want a brow routine, I will more than happily do a video on that specifically. All right, brows are done. Let's get this freaking makeup on. For the foundation, I got the Sephora Best Skin Ever foundation. If I remember correctly, Julia Havens is obsessed with this, so I wanted to try it out. I got the color 33N, and I did color match this on the website, so I hope it's correct. I'm just gonna start with a pump on my cheek. Oh, that's nice. It's not super runny. It like holds its... I like that. It's a little dark. Is it though? I don't think that's too dark. It has a good scent to it. It smells very clean. Oh no, that color is perfect. Wow, they did a good job with their little color match on their website. Since I only put a little bit on, I'm gonna add a little bit more and see how buildable it is. Oh, very nice and buildable. This is nice. It honestly reminds me of a mix between the YSL Bare Look Skin Tint or whatever it's called and the NARS Longwear Foundation. Okay, yes, I love that. It definitely covered up some imperfections, but it still looks like my skin, and that's what I wanted. Okay, so far so good. I'm not like obsessed with it, but I feel like I'll have to wait to see how I like it underneath the rest of the makeup. I will say I do like how dewy it is. It's not drying matte. It does have that like skin-like feel to it, and I don't really feel like I'm wearing anything, which is also a plus. I hate when I feel like I'm wearing a bunch of foundation, so that's nice. Now we can dive back into this concealer. I'm just gonna start with a little bit because I honestly don't remember how much I used to use. I'm still using the same liquid bronzer. This is the Milk Makeup Bionic Bronzer in the color Shapeshift. Oh shoot, I was supposed to wear a primer. Oh well, too late now. I'm really giving this concealer a run for its money. I hope it doesn't dry down. Fresh Beauty Blender too, gotta love that. As you can see, it's blending out super easily. It did not dry down too quickly. I forget it's literally called Creamy Concealer. Oh, this side definitely dried down a little bit more, but that's to be expected, I guess. Okay, here's the base so far. It's giving skin. It's giving skin. Now this next part, I'm really excited for it. It is a liquid blush. I do have a couple liquid blushes, but they're not like this. And this is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush in the color Happy. I've seen people do it over their powder, but I'm not gonna be like that today. We're just gonna do what we know. So I'm just gonna place it here. I think I should just start with that. I'm scared. Oh wow, it blends out like a dream though. Oh wow, that's gorgeous. Okay, favorite product so far. Might have added a little too much. I'm definitely gonna have to practice my placement when it comes to cream blush. Or honestly, I feel like I probably just should have used like less, but I'll figure it out, it's fine. I'm just gonna add the tiniest bit of concealer back in so I can recreate that shape because I kind of lost it with this blush. Okay, just gonna slap some powder on. I'm still using the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey Powder. And I just use one of these little guys to apply it. I'm just gonna work this in to set the under eye first. So I'll show you a little bit better on this side what I do. I just kind of take it and go along the side of my nose to clean up that nose contour and just kind of snatch my nose a little bit more. And then I go up that same line that I did with the concealer, and then I just take whatever's left over and kind of like pat it in. And then I usually like to set my eyelid too. And then I just clean up this little section down here. Not me literally covering up all of the liquid makeup that I did. Like you can kind of see the blush peeking out and the bronzer, but not really. I understand now why people do the cream blush after the powder, but it just seems wrong to me. But I feel like after some bronzer, once we put on the blush and everything and the lashes, it'll come together. It looks good. It's just like, where did the color go? You know what I mean? Another existing product that I'm still using because I just love this so much. I'm not gonna use another bronzer for a long time. This is the Fenty Beauty Sunstalker bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. Just gonna bring some of that color back that literally disappeared. Okay, much better. I was looking like fucking Casper. On to the blush, and I have a powder blush. It is the Patrick Ta for Face Double Take Cream and Powder Blush. Okay, there's a cream in here. I actually didn't realize that. And it's in the color She's a Doll. These colors are absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, look at this little top flap, you guys. It literally protects the cream blush. That is so cute and so functional. We love that. Let's start with the top. I'm just gonna take my blush brush and kind of tap it in here. Then I'm just gonna place this right here. That is stunning. Do you see how pigmented that is? I barely touched my face. Hold on, let me give you guys a better view from this angle. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. I feel like I could just keep adding more and more and more. Let's not do that, Lexi. That is so gorgeous. I am gonna top it off with that super light pink though. This is like the pinkiest pink I think I've ever owned in a blush before, but that's what I was going for. I wanted a really nice, gorgeous pink color, so I think I'm just gonna tap it on top. Wow. Wow, those two colors together. This just looks crazy to you guys, doesn't it? I feel like I'm just like adding so much blush. Might have overdone it. I swear it's so hard to do your makeup in like a tiny little mirror versus a big one like this, but the way my lighting's set up, it's just not gonna happen. With the ruffles, it's giving clown, but like in a cute way, you know? Anyways, I'm just gonna kind of tone this down because like look at this side. I'm just gonna see how nicely it blends out, if it does blend out. And it does. Wow, that's actually gorgeous. That's more so what we were going for over here. Oh, we are blushed, honey. That is the color I wanted. That is so gorgeous. We'll finish up the face later. For now, let's move on to the eyes. I have 3 sets of lashes here and I do not know which one to wear. So 2 of these are the Weightless Fluffed and Full lashes. Are they both the same? Did I literally just buy 2 of the same ones? I did. Yeah, these are stunning. But my other option are these. I think I'm gonna go with the House of Lashes. I think I'm gonna go with these. I'm just gonna go ahead and slap some eyelash glue on there and then we'll do our mascara and prep the eyes. Y'all, the base is basing. Like, she look good. I like it. I like it. Also, do you see a little like shimmer? I don't know if that was from the Patrick Ta blush or it was the blush that was already on my dirty blush brush beforehand. Not quite sure, but I do like it. By the way, guys, my lashes have been getting so long. I think I say that in every video that I do my makeup in, but like I've never had long lashes before and I'm hype. I've been using that Grande Lash serum. I will link it down below for you guys. Also, this is a new product too. Actually, Milk Makeup sent me this in a PR package, but it's their Kush mascara. So since we're using lashes today, I figure we can get away with using a new mascara. The wand on it is really fluffy as well. I'm actually really excited to use it. Oh yeah, I love this. It's just like really like giving me fluffy lashes and it's not gonna clump them, I can tell. Like, look at how long they are. Are you joking me? That's crazy. I honestly haven't been wearing lashes because I don't feel like I need them, but might as well. By the way, I'd say I typically wait about like 1 minute for the lashes to get tacky. I did not trim these either, so hopefully they're the perfect size. I typically don't have an issue when it comes to false lashes. Oh, that's a false lash, all right. Why am I not used to seeing myself with a false lash on? It is absolutely gorgeous though, and it's gonna look even better once we have the lower lash mascara on. I'm gonna pop this other lash on first though, and then we'll do that. These lashes are so cute. Much better. That just literally changed everything. Just gonna add some more bronzer because I don't know what happened to it. I think our blush took it away a little bit. I just want to like bring the snatch back to the face, especially since I'm wearing a ponytail. Okay, see how much better that's looking already? Yeah. Sometimes when you have new makeup, you just have to play around with it. I also feel like I have such a hard time seeing myself like any other way, like with different makeup techniques. You know, if you do like a signature eyeliner every day and then all of a sudden you do a makeup look without it, it's just kind of like, something's off. And like to everyone else it might look gorgeous, but to you it's like, no, something's off. I feel like I just get really used to like my typical makeup routine and then I'm like, I don't like it even though it looks good. It's like makeup dysmorphia or something. Ooh, see, I'm getting a little patch right here now. I think that's from the cream blush. Let's try to fix it. I grab my little puff. Still a patch. Should have stuck to my guns and not did the cream blush, but we're trying something new. So what are you gonna do? Also just gonna clean up right here a little bit. There we go. There's my face shape. I knew she was in there. I feel like this part is so crucial for like snatching my face. If I lose that line, it just kind of throws off the whole thing. Much better. Okay, and I feel like the blush is still coming through, so I don't feel like I really need to add any back in. Maybe we'll just do a tiny bit, but I'm only using the powder. I've learned my lesson now. Honestly, I think I'm loving the lashes now, especially with the lower lash mascara. I think I'm loving it. Tap, a little bounce if you will. Okay, much better. Now I'm loving it. Wow, this is just getting better and better. The next thing I like to do is just touch up my little freckles and then add a couple more in. For this, I use my Tarteist Pro palette, which I don't even think you can get anymore. And I use the color Edgy. Oh, you get the idea. Just like a brown color that looks like the color of your natural freckles. I feel like that's such a nice trick to make it look like you're not wearing so much makeup. Now for the highlight, I was gonna use the Bobbi Brown Mini Highlighting Powder in Pink Glow, which is this guy right here. Unfortunately, it's not coming until Monday. I didn't realize that, but I will still link it for you guys. It did have really good reviews. I'm sure it would be gorgeous. I'm gonna try to use something that I think is the closest thing to that, which is this super old ColourPop highlighter. It doesn't even have a color name on it. It's like a peachy color, but like look what happened, you guys. Like, I know my makeup drawer is an absolute mess because this crumbled all inside of it. So guess what I get to do after this? I'm just gonna put that on the high points of my face, right under my brows, all of that. Looking good. Okay, now it's time for the lips. I have five lip liners here, so I'm just gonna swatch them real quick. I got a bunch of little minis from Sephora because I wanted to try some different colors, and I don't really venture outside of my basic like nude liner with Laneige lip mask combo. So I felt the minis would be good to try out, you know? All right, so here are the swatches. Let me tell you what I was thinking. I was thinking of doing like a brownish nude on the outside and then a lighter pink on the inside. And I also have a colored lipstick. Let me actually see what this looks like, because I might be able to use this in the middle. Okay, and then like that's the liquid lip. I think I'm gonna do this lip liner and that lipstick in the middle, and hopefully it looks good. This is the Sephora lip liner in Nothing But Nude, and for the lipstick, it is the Sephora Cream Lip Stain in the color 68. Wow, they didn't even name these. That's kind of lame. Anyways, starting off with the lip liner. Okay, that is literally the same color of my lips, but I actually love it because I don't have a nice lip liner shade like this, and realistically I feel like I'll use this more often, even though I was trying to go out of my comfort zone. But sometimes it's good to stick to what you know, you like what you like. By the way, this lip liner is insanely creamy. Like, can you tell just by looking at my lips, like the texture? I feel like I could wear this all over my lips as a lipstick. And that's what it's giving. It's giving lipstick. It's not giving lip liner, but I love it. Let's try this baby in the center of the lips. I don't ever wear pink lipstick, but I figured it would look nice with the pink blush. We're just gonna kind of tap it in the middle. Oh, that is very pink. Oh, wow. Okay, wait, that actually made quite a gorgeous lip combo. I'm obsessed. We're not stopping there. I got two like topper lip products, I guess you could say. One I've been wanting for forever, the Dior Lip Glow Oil. I got this one in the color Rosewood. It was the only one that was available, and thankfully it was the color I actually wanted, which was pretty lucky. I already know how gorgeous this is, so I'm gonna dive into her another day because I also picked up this Sephora Outrageous Plump Effect lip gloss. The color I feel like just is gonna match this so much better. This is in the color 7. Ooh! No, because the color is perfect, and also this texture is amazing. I'm such a snob when it comes to lip glosses because, like I said, I usually use like my Laneige lip mask, so I really like a thick, glossy feel. Not like a sticky feeling, not like a super wet feeling, like a thick gloss, you know what I mean? Like a lip mask, and this is it. Now that is a proper pink lip if I ever saw one. I'm changing my mind. This is my new favorite product. Oh, and I forgot it was a plumper. It doesn't feel very intense though. We're basically at the end though. It's time to just set the face. I did get a new setting spray, and this is also by the Sephora collection. It's just their makeup setting spray. It says it helps you wear your makeup for 16 hours. Transfer proof, sweat and humidity resistant. This setting spray had so many reviews, and it was almost 5 stars, I want to say. I feel like I trust the Sephora community with my life. Like Amazon reviews, I don't know. Sephora, yes, those are my girls. First I want to see like how this sprays, because I don't want to, oh, Oh, it smells good. It's kind of like almost a little coconutty. Not overwhelming, but it's also drying down really fast, which I love, and I just sprayed a bunch. Okay, wow, that was great as well. Let me give you guys a quick close-up of the makeup so you can see like the full base, eyes, lips situation. Honestly, for a full recap, I loved everything. The lashes, the lip products, everything came together. I think it looks quite nice. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also remember, I will have everything linked, so if you see anything that you like from this video, you can go purchase it with a link down below. I believe Sephora is also having a fragrance sale right now, so I'm gonna leave a link to a like to know what post with all of my favorite Sephora fragrances. Also, don't forget to follow me over there, guys, and also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, you know, the usuals. Before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and give this video a big ass thumbs up. I love you so, so much, and I will see you next week. Bye.